You start wondering how
And they,
these things is reaching me and I mean I do certain things, but at some point you did it. At some point you did it. So that's why your intention must be always good towards anybody at all.
yeah.
I love to look for the best
And
in
then
people.
you,
I love to look for the best in people. You know, a lot of people, when I say people condemn, I try to reach out
mhm.
to them, help them in whatever way I can, and helping them don't necessarily mean
Yes,
financial. Just even a word of motivation, because some people, it's not the money them don't have, but they don't have the drive and the motivation, and you
Right.
can come and give them a word of
Mhm.
encouragement, give them a word, uplift them
yes,
spirit. Yes, what I
yes,
say? Yeah, man.
yes.
Real thing.
King
You
said,
know,
I
even
am
some
love,
people,
I do not wonder, so I am comfortable. I'm God, a lot of mercy. Let me read this again. A merchant triple three, that is
you
King
see,
said the man himself. I am love, I do not wonder. I am so
I'm so
comfortable. I am
comfortable.
God.
I am fine.
Woyoy,
Okay. Right, that's all.
woyoy, woyoy. That is it.
yeah, when you know that, man, when you know that, and you not look for nobody and tell them that you are not. You know what I mean? You are.
Wow.
But it's just that you are in seed state at the moment, so you just need to get planted so you can start grow and get them branches out and start branch out and so you can start flower and fruit. So yeah.
Well,
So
full
that's the thing.
harvest.
There's some people who
Yeah.
wake up
Fullness.
but they are at a certain level. Remember say a tree not just jump out and flower, they have to know it's a stage. So when you
True.
done the cycle, you will know, say, yo, okay, that person there, so you know, me can't hang nothing upon that limb, if me hang nothing upon that limb right now, it go break. That,
Yes,
that,
and you
that limb
yourself
have
can know that,
it's brickly, you get me?
You
It's very
yourself
thin, you
can know
can't
that,
hang nothing upon it. But you have a
You
tree there where
yourself.
you can't hang anything upon it because it's big and broad. You know what I mean? So
True.
as teachers, we have to.
You yourself can know that, because you know the growth, and when you hear somebody else speak, when you hear somebody else speak, you can know where you're at, and they can know where you're at as well. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So you can't lie to yourself, and you can't lie to nobody, because when you
Mhm.
speak, I know where you are, I know where I am. Is what I say? Yes, for real.
It's it. That's all it.
So that's why you hear me give. I was saying the other night that I give thanks for this team right here, because there is still improvement, and I have seen a lot of growth even in the past weeks since um I locate these people. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you.
Students
Two
got in
people
the habit of
knowledge,
using
read much
people
book
and
and
not
all and some of
things, you
them.
know?
If you're not applying, Lord of mercy, I mean if you tell you. I
Yes,
tell you.
nothing. Nothing.
I'm on the peas now, the ground it won't grow, It's not planted, it
Yeah,
won't
love.
grow.
Exactly.
You
Exactly.
have to know if you
That's
want
how
it grow,
simple it
you have
is.
to soil it and don't boil it. Yeah?
Oh, yo,
That is it.
yo, yo. There's enough of them seed out here boil. You think so?
Yeah, then then you're that
Yo.
race. I tell you from morning, from she jump from it, step in and that, you say like, yeah, yeah, them now silent, them a boil it. I expect it to grow.
Yo.
Yeah, and we have to, Kinney, yeah, real thing, sister, we have to know that we have to plant that seed and not just plant it as well. Cause it need
That's it.
nurturing. Yeah, it need nurturing because you have, different
Yes, yes.
energy. We will focus whatever they send their insect. anything there too. You understand? So you know the fight still go on, but it's within all within us, knowing that listen me, a plant that in and that gonna grow and come and harvest, and we know when that harvest we are gonna save back some, so we even can plant a bigger crop and share some as well. Yeah, share
That is
some as
it.
well, and
100%.
explain to people how this is planted. So me no expect to come give some peas next year.
Yeah,
Want to
always
see your little
sharing.
pot with
Always
your
sharing.
little peas them
Always
as well, and
sharing.
can say yes. Yes, Sky could be a thing, where my one get thing, and because me it's a selfish with mine. Me no share it with you, walk a plant somewhere and what my crop never come in good. But because me share with you, you're come in
Aye.
and me no have none. Or someone else no have none. Yes, man.
Bro, I saw the thing go. See him so.
Yeah, so
That is it.
positive breed positive and negative
Pick up
breed
yourself,
negative.
Youth and G.
100%.
Yes,
That
man.
is it. That is it.
Yeah,
That is
man.
it.
You can be blessed up in a.
Bless up youth and G.
Yeah. A limitation of depth on greatness, because it always a go up. On the notion go down.
Aye.
Yeah, it's
Yes,
always
sir.
a go up
Yes, sir.
wide and big and mighty
sir.
and bright.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is it.
Mm-hmm.
100%. Yeah, so we have a couple minutes to go. We have a couple more minutes to go. Pick up everyone that is on the live. You
Yeah.
understand what I mean?
Shuffle as well. I gather myself go up on the road. But make sure, and I line up the
Thank you so
petrol to
much.
put in this summer. Now I go eat more food.
Definitely,
Yeah,
definitely.
As you said, Jobless said,
Queen,
I am the bread.
Kenny Pop.
Me had the flour, me had the bread, me had the bakery. Yeah.
The
Yeah.
whole thing, man.
Yeah.
The whole thing
I'm
with that.
telling you, man. I'm telling you, you need to write. Listen, yeah, it come to me this morning. Jobless need to write a book about the bread. It's no joke.
Yeah, man. The bread
He
thing,
needs
the
to
man.
write a
Make me
book
carry with
about
me,
the bread.
man. Petrol to the mind. Fully.
For real.
Yeah, like, yeah, me never hear it like that before. Like, it makes all the
Yes,
sense.
man. And this man, me have to be jobless. Say, boy, jobless. Anybody, if I have a bag of flour and I have 100 bread and somebody said, boy, give me the 100 bread. I said, no, you are going to flour me again. So make you the flour, you can make anything you want to make. You want to make
Anything you
cake,
want.
what you want to do. Because, it's what I say, yeah, man, you have
Yeah.
the flour and condition. Why would you want the bread? Come on, man.
Sure. Biscuit, dumpling, fritters.
Everything,
You
man.
know,
Yo,
everything you
yeah,
can make with it.
unlimited, unlimited.
Yeah.
Unlimited.
Mm.
That is it. That is it for real.
But you know, so the same thing come to my mind, DJ Grace. So I don't know it come to your mind like that. Whoa,
For real?
mad,
Lord have mercy.
mad.
I thought I'll go on in a job list because me have a next piece to it, but I will tell you offline. You're definitely gonna write a book. When I tell you, you're definitely gonna
Say
write a
no
book.
more.
I tell you.
Say no more.
Yes, man. That bread flour story there, no sir.
Yeah.
It's not no better than that. No, there's no better illustration.
Yeah, man.
Well, we have
Illustration is always
going
gonna get to the point. It's always gonna get you to the point.
Sure. Right to the point. Right to the point.
Wrapped in a single thought. I know you're listening. You're listening. You're listening through the eye.
That is it.
When we are far
Is
apart. Wrapped in a single thought. You know I'm listening. We're listening. You're listening through the eye. Stop for a moment, look at the tree. See how it's swaying in the breeze. And it shelters us with its leaves. But sometimes we want so much more. We cut it down and we make door. Cupboards and we make floor. People even burn it in charcoal. And plant no more seed to grow. So tell them, say, when we are far apart. wrapped in a single thought. I know you're listening. I'm listening. We are listening through the heart. Yes, man. I know negative won't come my way.
Teach us how to fish.
Yes,
Right,
yes.
so right. There's a cash. The new tune
Yeah,
a go
man.
on. Chris
Yeah.
says, book write already long time, man. Just waiting for publish. Ah, not true. A lot
Don't
of
forget now.
mercy. Can I
Yes,
tell you?
man.
Can I tell you? A lot of mercy. Youth and G say pull up. Teach them how to fish and let them keep hands out. Let them stop give hands out, right?
Yeah, looking at my phone, I realize that I have some other bars to write down feet. It come like the Marcus Garvey song what I sing 2 years ago. Like 10 years ago, I write the third verse, feet first, in silver ink. Left it at my virgin studio and me and him walk the night and we go to Barman Crescent where Marcus Garvey last lived. As you may know that place, DJ Great. It's in West Kensington. And I just went there and just feel a vibes. Just feel a vibes and go straight into the studio, go do a song. And there, we do 2 verses of the song and stuck. And the virgin, the energy just tell him, say, you know, so me have some more writing here for you, because sometimes we there and we just write and at the same verse, but the same topic we write 10 years earlier. Just fitting out the song, just with exactly everything, just join up like that. So the energy, yes, man.
Right, that's
Oh
all.
man, that red thing, the man, cause it show you. Yeah, cause we don't look as we want to look for biscuit or something there. And I realize that we have the flower like, okay, what we can make with this. Mm-hmm.
That is it. Gotta keep the focus. Right, that's all. The same love I carry for a woman is the same love I carry for a man. I am not talking sex. 100% king sex. King sex.
Life is the love. I'm from far. I know that what this person is saying. Life itself, goodness, greatness. Yeah, because the layers, the whole package of life itself. Wow.
That is it. That is it.
I wonder what we're going
Right?
to
Big up on yourself. Let me see. It's time for me. Kenny Pop. Love you when you talk, you see.
I'm here. Just listening. I'm just listening.
Okay. I'm gonna clock out soon.
It's like when I turn my mic on, I can barely hear. What did you say, beautiful?
No, I say I love listening to you. I love listening to you, innit?
Oh
When you
yeah, I'm
start
just
talk, I go
sometimes
silent,
it's
you
good to
know.
listen. I do a lot of talking, so I'm just listening.
Not true. Lord of mercy, right there. So be out for the day, love the heart. Be out of the day, love heart of the night, same love. Choo, if I will come on here with energy, make me better. If I will, okay. Barry, I'm not getting what you're asking there, Barry. Are you asking a question or are you making a statement? People associate love with sex. Why? I love my father. I kiss my father. Same way say go, don't it? Lord of mercy. Same way say go, Youth and G.